Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Ford Focus. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth, but there's also dual zone air conditioning, cruise control. The car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has two previous owners. It's got a 1.6 litre diesel engine, it gives you 113 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 51,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.